going to be. Now, did you fire off all?
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Vigo County, northwestern Clay County, Park County, southern Vermilion County until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Vermilion or near Paris, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Brazil, Clinton, Rockville, West Terre Haute, Fairview Park, Selleville, Montezuma, Knightsville, Rosedale, Harmony, Staunton, Carbon, Universal, Mecca, Bloomingdale, Marshall, Bridgeton, Frontenac, and Blandford. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 1 and 11. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for West Central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Park, Vermilion, and Vigo.